Hey team, welcome to part 17 of our long form 4 Kata breakdown. In this video, we'll cover Prance of the Tiger. The attack for Prance of the Tiger on the first side is a right step through punch, and on the second side is a left step through punch. First, I'll perform the technique full speed, as if I started the form towards 12 o'clock. Then I'll reverse and perform as if I started towards 6 o'clock, so it's easier to see the technique. Then we'll break it down move by move, and at the end, we'll demonstrate with an attacker. At the end of bowing to Buddha, I'm picking up here. Prance of the Tiger is as follows. And as if I started towards 6 o'clock. Now, let's break it down move by move. After bowing to Buddha finishes here, I'm going to step up into a cat stance, leaning towards my back leg, which is my right leg, and my hands are going to transition to these positions. Both hands will be palm claws. Then my attacker starts with a right step through punch. First thing I'm going to do is parry with my left hand at or above the elbow of the punch. My right arm will do a raking middle knuckle strike to the ribs of my attacker, while simultaneously I'm hopping and doing a left scoop kick with my left leg. So all three of those moves happen at the same time. I'm hopping, scoop kick, middle knuckle rake, and parry. After I do my scoop kick and I land here, my right leg is immediately going to chamber for a side kick to the back knee of my attacker, and my right hand will do a back knuckle to the back of my attacker's head. After my simultaneous kick and back knuckle, I land in a cat stance with my left leg in the back, left hand above my head, right hand right here in palm claws. Then my attacker does a left step through punch. Here I'm going to do a right parry, left middle knuckle rake across the ribs, and right scoop kick to the back of my attacker's knee all at the same time. And when I land, my left leg immediately chambers for a side kick to the back of my attacker's back knee, while at the same time my left arm is executing a back knuckle to the back of my attacker's head. After this strike, I transition into the next technique. Now let's try it with an attacker. After I finish bowing to Buddha, I fade back into my cat stance here. My attacker does a right step through punch. Here, I hop, scoop kick the back of my attacker's knee, middle knuckle rake to the ribs, land on my left leg on the back side of my attacker, while I right side kick and right back knuckle to the back of my attacker's knee and head respectively. After I land these two strikes, I land in a cat stance with my right leg in front. My attacker now does a left step through punch. I hop, scoop kick, middle knuckle strike, land, kick and back knuckle to the back of my attacker's body. And that will conclude Prance of the Tiger. Next week we'll pick up with part 18, which is Shield and Mace. Thanks for watching, everyone.